Hi all, in our last tutorial we worked on adding WatchKit target in an existing mobile application. So it was crashing in our last tutorial. So basically the problem was we are not passing here the environment data. That's why it is crashing. So now if we pass environment model data, so it started working. So now if you click on a particular city and go on to detail screen, you are not able to scroll the content because this is a smaller screen and we created this screen for the mobile screens. So let's add a separate city detail screen for the watch. So I'm removing target from here and adding a new file city detail which is separate for watch phase. So I have added a new city detail file. So as we see, like, we are not able to scroll. So what we need to do is we need to add the content in the scroll view. So I have already written the code. So what I did is I have added it in the scroll view, then a VStack, and then we add a circle image which is resizable and fit as per screen. Also, like, this is not building, so what we need to do is we need to copy these three environment variable and other variables for this view also and paste it over here. Here also we need to add the environment data model data. So here we will use this one. So now if we build, so here we added a circle image. So I have removed the frame that we were using 300 pixel over here. So now it is purely a circle. And when we move over here, so we have a circle image, we have city name toggle. So this favorite button is removed in case of watch. And now see, if we scroll, we are able to do that because now it is added in a scroll view, and this is used over here, a switch. Now if we run it on the simulator, we will see like it would work as per watch face. See, it is working, and you can move back for using this icon. So yeah, this is done, and you can use this switch for making it favorite and unfavorite. Thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skill learning.